Grumpy Joe opens its biggest branch in Angeles City. This is not a drill. Ngayon, ang mga Grumpy Joe favorites natin ay mas accessible na sa mga Angelenyos at mas malapit na if you're coming from Magalang, Porac, or Tarlac. Ang ganda ng interiors nila at meron sila mga private room that you can rent for special occasions. Meron good for 20 packs at meron din yung kakayanin hanggang sa 80 packs. So, nagpunta kami dito para sa 10th birthday ng pamangkin ko. Marami tayong order pero inuna talaga namin agad yung mozzarella sticks. Because look at that cheese pull. Super fun kainin to, lalo na with kids kasi nag-e-enjoy sila to stretch it as long as they can. Ang sarap din ng kapares niyang marinara sauce that has just the right amount of sweetness. First time ko namang itatry itong Caesar salad with shrimp. It's loaded with proteins, merong bacon, egg, and shrimp. Grabe, salad pa lang, very hearty and satisfying na. Up next, itong flavor ng pizza. First time ko rin titikman. This is spinach and truffle. It's very creamy and then slight lang yung hint ng truffle so hindi siya overpowering. Moderate lang yung thickness ng dough at ang lambot. Pagdating sa pasta, ang pinakamadalas naming orderin ay itong spicy seafood pesto. Favorite namin ni Mama yan. Ang sarap ng level of heat niya, mararamdaman mo na rin pero not too much. It's also quite creamy and then meron siyang shrimp, tahong, and squid. Itong kasunod, fries yan and then yung toppings niya ay pulled pork with melted cheese. Barbecue flavor so the sauce is slightly sweet and sticky. Very generous din sa pulled pork. This was so good. And then, meron din tayo ng spaghetti with meatballs. Filipino style to. Tamang-tama lang yung level of sweetness and it comes with 2 meatballs and toasted bread on the side. This naman is their garlic parmesan chicken wings. It comes with a mayo-based dip which I love at meron din siyang coleslaw. And kung last year, birthday ni Papa yung sinelebrate namin sa Grumpy Joe, this time kay Marcos naman. He's having a slice of San Serval cake na naubos agad. At yung mga drinks naman namin, etong isa ay strawberry latte with a shot of espresso at yung isa naman is parang creamy peach yung atake. All in all, that was a very satisfying dinner and it's really nice na yung Grumpy Joe favorites natin available na sa Angeles City.